Hey everybody, Scott here. Wanted to show you this Samsung Galaxy Watch 7 with AI that I got to be able to replace my old smartwatch by Samsung. So obviously this is the box it comes in. As you can see, a nice little slim box. And I will show you it. I'll go ahead and open this up and show you it out of the box and what it looks like in the box. All right, got the box open. Obviously see the watch here. Here's the band that it comes with. There's your watch face, and then it looks like your instruction booklet is in this little thing here. So we'll go ahead and take these out and kind of show you the buttons and everything on the side. All right, so here's your buttons on the side there, and then here's the back here with some of your sensors on the back, and then those look like that looks like a little button to be able to release the band if you want to replace the band. As you can see there's the watch face again. Nothing on this side. And then we'll go ahead and look what's inside this little packet right here. So we'll go ahead and open this. All right, so inside that other little box, you've got your quick start guide, your terms and conditions, and then in the bottom of it, you've got this charging cable here with it looks like a USB-C in that plugs into a USB-C charger. So, and then you set your watch on there to charge it. All right, I've got the charging cable plugged in the USB outlet port to a computer, and as you can see, it is powerful enough to charge the watch. You can see the charging icon right there, and then it shows you the battery percentage.